How to make text behind a character in CapCut. So I'll show you how to place text behind an object or person. Now first make sure you have your video clip in the timeline like this. Click on text at the top of the page and then go and drag default text into the timeline. You could then resize the text layer so it fits the full width of the video like this. Now from here you can go and change the text. You can also apply any different customizations to the text as well. Now once you have your text on the screen, go and click on the video layer. You can then right click and press copy. Now go and right click somewhere on the timeline and click on paste. You then need to move this video clip onto the very top layer like so, and you should basically have the text in the middle layer. Also make sure that all of the clips, including the text and the videos, align correctly. Now go and select the top video, click on video in the top right hand side, and then click on mask. Now press the add mask button. Now you can go and select a mask from the list, so I'm just going to select rectangle, and then you can basically position this shape around your object like so. Now when you go and play the video, as you can see, we have now masked the text behind this person. If for some reason it's not working, you can press remove BG instead. Click on auto removal. And as you can see, that's another way on how to place text behind your object.